Yes.
Okay, read this one.
This is my mother.
This is my mother. 2 boxes for Azrul. Can you read this?
And this is my father.
And this is my father. Right, the rocket. Can you read this one?
This is my sister. Ever so clever.
This is my sister. Ever so clever. Another 2 boxes for Azrul. Can you read this?
And I am he her. And
Her.
I am her only big brother.
Very good. And I am her only big brother. Very good. Another 2 boxes. Can you read this one?
We like to do things together.
We like to do things together. Another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Can you read this one?
We run together, but I am faster.
We run together, but I am faster. Very good. Another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Okay, next. Can you read this one?
We play checkers,
Hey, we play. Eh,
checkers,
eh.
check, checkers,
Checkers.
checkers together, but my sister is better.
We play checkers together, but my sister is better. Another 2 boxes. Next, can you read this one?
We also plant flowers for mother.
We also plant flowers for mother. Very good. Right, the rocket. Can you read this?
My sister flowers a big, my flowers a smaller.
Okay, how do we read this word, Azrul?
Ah,
Kenapa sebut my sister's flowers are big, my flowers are smaller. Okay, you've reached the star. Good job.